Hey there, my friends, welcome back. So, if you own one of these, then you know how difficult it is to add music to the PlayStation Vita. Well, I'm here to tell you that recently I added over 1,000 songs to the PlayStation Vita. I got the album covers to show, I got the artist information to show, I got everything to show. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add your favorite music to the PlayStation Vita. So I hope you're ready, guys. Without further delay, let's get this party rolling.
I'll give you pleasure.
All right, so let's begin this process. You're gonna need about 3 things, okay? You ready? First things first, you're gonna need your favorite songs. So, however you get your favorite songs, do that for me. When you have found your favorite songs, you're gonna actually put them in a folder location. Put them wherever you'd like, just make sure that you can find them, okay? All right, now, the second thing you're gonna need, pretty obvious, your PlayStation Vita and a nice USB cable, micro USB cable to your computer, okay? The last thing you're going to need, very, very important, I just figured out how important it really is, it's known as the Content Manager Assistant. Now, this should already be installed onto your PlayStation Vita, okay? I believe it's Sony's, it's their software that they use to manage the Vita at the time, whatever. Now, you do need the software also on your PC. I will link that software download down in the description, okay? Please download that one. I think they have a newer version, and I don't know much about the newer version. Download the link, download the one that I have put in the link, okay? Now, once you have done all of those sweet things, do me a favor and meet me on my computer screen, and we'll go through the Content Manager Assistant together, and I'll set you up and get everything all ready to go for your transfer of the videos or the files for the music, okay? Let's do it. Okay, my friends, do me a favor, download the link that I have put below, and it should take you to the CNET website. So, download this Content Manager Assistant. When you download this Content Manager Assistant, it will ask you to install. Please go ahead and install and all of that good stuff. So, when you install this, it should open up like this, okay? So, what this Content Manager essentially looks like and what it does here is it has your photos, it has your videos, it has your music, okay? This right here will essentially tell your PlayStation Vita how to, or what file locations it wants to look at when it connects to your PC, okay? That is what this is doing. So, for example, since I have put the songs that I plan to transfer today, which are my Linkin Park songs. I do love that band, and I miss that band, R.I.P. Chester. So what I'm going to do here is, you see how my folder says, for music, it says this downloads folder? I'm actually going to click that, and I'm going to change that, okay? I went ahead and set all of my songs that I wanted on my desktop. So on my desktop, you can see that I'm just going to click desktop, okay, and set that as my desktop. Now, since the folder I want with all my music is on the desktop, that's what you're going to set it as, okay? Now you're going to hit OK. It's going to recreate the data and just kind of do the settings for the PlayStation Vita so it knows where to read. Now it is set, okay? Very, very simple there. That's all you need to do. It's quite the easy system. Later on, I will do videos on showing you guys how to add photos and videos as well. But for now, let's just focus on the music stuff. All right. So now that you have set the Content Manager settings on your computer, we're going to hop on over to the PlayStation Vita and we're going to open Content Manager there. Let's do it. Okie dokie. All right. Here we are, my friends, on the Vita side. So very simple. We're going to go ahead and just get inside of our PlayStation Vitas. I do have a passcode on mine, as you should too. Okay, so very simple. Here we are on the PlayStation Vita. You're going to plug it in into your computer. Make sure that the Content Manager is on your PlayStation computer or on your PC. Please make sure that Content Manager is on your PC. Now, when you plug it in, as you can tell, it automatically starts registering that Content Manager is connected. So let's go ahead and connect that. And you see, this will pop up. You could just hit content, copy content, but let's just go the old-fashioned way. You're gonna hit start. Now here, this will pop up and it's asking you if you want to manage the content on the memory card or if you actually want to copy content. We're gonna go ahead and click copy content. Now, as you can tell, it does know that that it is connected to my PC, Cloudy Wolf. Now, we don't want to change that, and you can see everything else. So you can back up stuff, restore files, all that good stuff. But we're only here for one thing, and that's going to be the PC to PS Vita system. We're going to click that, okay? This should open up. It's going to go ahead and ask you what you want to look for. We're going to go ahead and say music, okay? Beautiful. It will automatically open the music software or the music app. Now look, it is already registered that I linked that folder to my desktop, and it has already shown the stuff on my desktop, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this because I'm not doing independent tracks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that, and now I can actually just go back and take a look on what's on my actual computer. As you can see, it says Cloudy Wolf. That's the name of my computer, okay? So now let's see. Let's go ahead and click that one more time. Now we see that we have albums here. I'm gonna copy by album because I don't want to copy a bunch of same albums over and over again. As you can tell, there's a couple different versions of them, but I'm just gonna do the ones that I want, okay? So you're gonna click the 3 buttons here, and you're gonna hit copy, okay? Now you can choose the albums you want. I'm gonna click hybrid. Let's do the bonus disc for Hybrid Theory. I'm gonna do Meteora, which is my favorite Linkin Park CD ever, the deluxe version. We're obviously going to copy that one. Minutes to Midnight was amazing as well. I'm going to go ahead and copy that version. And wow, look at all these. I don't see. This is why you want to pick. You don't want to have the same songs all everywhere. Now let's go ahead and hit Reanimation because that was an amazing album as well. Now we're going to hit copy. Selected items will be copied to the system's memory card. I'll hit OK. And now, my friends, it is copying over 53 songs. It's not taking too long, which is actually really, really pleasing to see since this is still kind of an older system. Okay. As you can tell, this is the actual time it takes. Maybe I'll skip over this a little bit, but either way, not too bad for 53 songs, and not too bad for not being an SSD or anything of that nature. And guys, keep in mind, I did put actually 1,000 songs, and it took only about like maybe 15 to 10 minutes, which is actually not that bad. And not too bad, almost done there. I'll let this thing play out, because I want you guys to actually know the actual time this takes to happen. Beautiful. Now it has technically, it's done. It's technically done. So we're just going to go back out. We're just going to go back out again. We can actually go ahead and close this. So we'll go ahead and close that. And we can actually go ahead and close this. Now, my friends, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and see if this runs. Sorry, just find my music folder there. There it is. There's my music folder. Click that there. Let's go to artist. Let's see if my artist actually connected. We're looking for Linkin Park. Oh, there you go. Would you look at that, my friends? Would you look at that? Linkin Park. And let's go ahead and just hit all. And let's just check a few things out here. Woo! Okay, so it looks like everything did transfer over. Let's go ahead and find a song to play and just kind of go with that. I don't even know what song I want to play first. Breaking the Habit. There you have it. Album cover, song title, band, everything. I love this song. Okay. And as you can tell, you can even go away from this stuff and go move around and do some other things on this. So there's that. And you can just hold the PlayStation button. And oh yeah, I forgot. I'm probably gonna copyright it for that. But anyways, we'll find out. So there it is, my friends. Now you can unplug, and you're all set. Well, there you have it, my friends. It was really just that simple. I know. I don't know why it was so hard before, but now you know. So go out there, get your favorite songs all together, put them in a nice little folder, and get that transfer going and make the PlayStation Vita even more better than it already is. So, just let you guys know, Discord and everything is still up and running. Memberships are live. I want to say thank you to all these people. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. Also, I just want to let you guys know something. There's questions that I cannot answer. Join my membership. You can ask me all the questions you want there. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please throw me a like, a comment will do. If you didn't like it, just voice your opinions down below, my friends. As always, it's always a pleasure to have you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you in the next one, okay? Stay busy out there. Enjoy that music. Party on.